Precious, what are you doing? Hmm? You look stuffed. You had a good breakfast? Yeah? You're just chilling out, sitting there, relaxing? Hmm? It's okay. Oh, look at those feathers. My goodness, you have beautiful feathers. Yeah. Precious came to us as a baby. We didn't realize he was a baby. We never had a bird before, and we're learning as we go. And we also thought Precious was female. And now we know he's a male. We didn't change his name because Precious is very precious to us. So it makes sense just to keep his name Precious.